Hi, today we're taking a look at this set of 2 flower baskets. These are artificial flowers in hanging baskets. They come with everything you need. I want to thank the brand for sending it to me so I can show it to you. Now I want to show you what comes in the box and I want to show you how to put them together. Let's go check it out. Okay, so first we're going to start out by showing you what comes in this set. We have 2 baskets with the hanging hardware attached. We have 2 coconut core liners. We have 2 styrofoams. And then over here we have the different colors of flowers. We have red, a really gorgeous pink, a vibrant purple, and just a glowing, brilliant, pretty black and yellow. I've made sure that the chain is untangled and in its longest form here. Sometimes when they're being shipped, they do get a little tangled up, and so you want to make sure they're all equally spaced and make sure that the chain is long. You're going to go ahead and put the coconut liner in here. Put the leaf basket over the top of this styrofoam. Push it down in there so it's even. You're going to flip it over, and that's going to be the base for putting your flower stems in. We have the red, the pink, the yellow, and the purple. There are 6 stems of each, so you can divide them up between the 2 baskets however you would like to do that. For ease later of not having to play with these chains, kind of set them there in the middle. These are hanging baskets, and you're really going to see, if you're below it, you're going to see more of the edges over here. I'm going to start working around the outside and then work to the middle. These stems will press firmly into the styrofoam ball, and you do have to use some pressure on it, and I'm going in at a slight angle because flowers don't grow straight up. And as you can see, you can press those in there and you can hear it going in. And then I just also want to show you that these rubbery stems here are very adjustable. So once you get things going and you see how it's laying out, you can then kind of bend them to wrap around the other colors, and it makes a really nice variegated look. Okay, I've put 3 of the yellow stems in, and I'm just kind of bending them because, again, remember, you're going to be looking up at this. This is a hanging basket. You're not going to be looking down into it. Okay, I'm going to just spin this around so you can kind of see what this is starting to look like, because I'm playing with it. This is my first time. I'm kind of, trying to get these flowers to look a little more natural. I like some of them falling down and some of them to be really just spread out. Remember that if you put these in and you don't like it, the styrofoam ball is very forgiving, so you can change it. Okay, and then as you're turning this around, if you're going to be below it and looking up, you don't want to see stems, so you can take some of these and kind of use the bendable nature of the stems and bend them down so that anyone looking in, they're not going to see that grouping of stems. So you dig down in here because earlier I told you to maybe place that chain so you don't have to worry about feeding it through later. Now you may have to do a little bit of manipulation to get it to go in the center of the basket, but at least it won't take you very long. Okay, and here is this first one. I'm going to do a little more arranging. I love the trailing flowers that kind of hang down below. It's a really good idea to hang it up first, see if you like it before you actually put it in place, but look how pretty that is. Okay, so here they are in the yard. You can hang them off the top of the porch. You can hang them in the yard if you like. You can hang them on a shepherd's hook. Coming in close on the vibrant colors, they more than adequately fill up the 2 baskets. You can arrange them any way you want. You can pull them out and start over. You can pull them out and start again next year. Many different uses for these. Look how pretty they are. They look very full and very natural. Thank you to the brand, and thank you for watching.